Hi, Beth. It's Craig. I thought I would maybe just give you a view of what kind of reports you'll get with Vonage. I thought that might be easier. So what'll happen is that when you are in your phone system, you'll go to reports, and then you will have kind of a company summary, which is where you'll start. And it shows total calls, average calls, duration, the number of missed calls, outbound, inbound, within the company calls, international calls. On any one of these, you can kind of drill down and you can kind of see who's the most active, who's missed calls, those sort of things. At any point in time, you can export this to an Excel spreadsheet if you want, okay? So I thought I'd share that with you. So from company summary, you can also get into a look by user where you can see within your team who's making the most calls, how many missed calls they've had, those sort of things. You can assess the quality of whether you're on your call groups, which is where incoming calls are going to come into. And you can, again, see the status of activities on there. There's actually also a call quality indicator where you can actually see Vonage will rate all of your calls, and it will rate them by good, moderate, poor, and it gives you what's called an MOS report, which is kind of a measurement. So if we ever have quality issues, we can come into the reporting to kind of see how your calls are going. And then finally, we can also report on the meetings and the participation link. That's the replacement for Zoom and for DoxyMe. So the last thing I want to mention is you can also save your reports, which means if you find a report, we can customize any of these. But if we find a report we like company summary, you can show and hide columns, you can add to it, so on and so forth. But when we find something we like, we can actually save it and we can schedule it to be sent to you on a regular basis. Like maybe you're going to want it to come in every week or every day, those sort of things. So you don't even have to come into the system. The system will automatically email reports out to you. So I hope that helps. Let me know if you have any questions. Bye-bye.